Master, moving stones around is one thing. This is totally different.
Do or do not. There is no try.